guess what? We've made progress. I'm very skeptical about showing you the back of this hair because I can't guarantee how neat it is, but who's gonna see it? But this is what we have so far.
Both called it from the beginning. Called it. We knew that there had to be us.
Because I know I want straight lines across, and you know that kind. I want this look, this like straight look. I want this look like straight all back, so that I can wear it down. I can wear it in the side part. You know, I want the lines to be kind of visible. So I'm just going to part my hair. I already started to part this one. Don't know if I can do it without a mirror, but we'll do it for you.
What we gotta do to stay winning, winning. The fuss and the fights will keep and trust. And you make me wanna say, I love.
To be honest, that's the best that I can do. Anything else, it's not even going to show like that. So what I'm doing is layering it. So if you think of a center parting, you are most likely to see the first 2 layers or the first 3 layers. So the middle, the back can be, you know, slightly bigger, but like not too big that it's like, girl, like, did you get lost or something? I'm pretty sure I have a couple of strands like that at the back of my head, but honestly, like, I don't think it matters like that. As long as the front looks good, so you should be fine. So I've done that, and I'm just going to part my hair like down the middle. So
Better today than yesterday.
this much extension left. So far I've only used 3 packs from the whole kit I showed you. I don't want my own too big, so I'm sticking with medium size. So I kind of focus on this amount of thickness, or if I feel like it might be too much, I just take out a little bit more. So I just kind of gauge it, right? So that's the first part done. And now for the whole magic, I try to split this into as many sections as I can, but sometimes it's ends up being like 6 sections or 8 parts or something, but I tend to split it as many times as I want. So the first chunk for me is usually like, you know, it should match the size of the hair. For me, that's how I do it. Some people do it a lot thinner, but I want like it to like slim down and like fatten up, you know, that thing. So like the first chunk for me is like this much, and the second one I begin to like thin it down. So the second one is this thin. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 11 strands here, and if you notice, they're getting smaller as I go down. And the reason for doing it like this is just so that, where's the hair by the way? The reason I'm doing it like that is just so that it thins out nicely at the bottom. So this is what I have. This is what I have. So I want it to thin out nicely at the bottom. And I do this thing where I do twist at the bottom of my hair because, one, I'm not going to keep plaiting all the way to the end. Like, for what? I would twist it a bit because twisting is just simpler for me. So I just twist it and then I just carry on going. So because I've sectioned the hair beforehand, it's easier for me to plait. I don't tell you how long this hair is taking me, but I started last night and I did all of this. So the chime is like, hey Siri, what time is it? So it's 10:57, and yeah, I'm trying to finish the hair before 3 o'clock, or like by 3 o'clock I should be finishing off or rounding off the hair because I got things to do.
Every day it's gonna play out the same, the same, the same, the same. Hey, I love you better today than yesterday. Every day it's gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. Growing as one, not growing apart. Apart. Say what we mean, say it from the heart. feels and grace. Don't be alarmed, because you're safe with me. The beautiful signs of our story so far, so far. Both called it from the beginning. We called it, we called it. We knew that there had to be an us. Knew that there had to be an us. But we got it.
So we're done. When I'm getting my hair braided like this, I like to always have a trash bag by my side, just so that I'm combating the mess, because this thing can get messy. Like, you see hair everywhere. I was braiding my hair last night and there was hair everywhere, and I was just like, I have to pick it up before I went to bed. But that's besides the point. So I'm going to come back a little bit later when I have like a few pieces left. Please wish me luck. So what I'm doing is, because I want it all to fall like that, I'm braiding my hair like that, okay? But I'm still like picking everything, so I'm not doing that feeding braid. I'm picking everything up as one, and I'm braiding. I'm talking to you. If you can braid hair, like, if you can't braid hair, ask somebody to help you or learn. And how do you learn? By practicing, okay? Yeah. So I'll be back. So I'm just going to keep braiding it down. Kona usam naro wata. Wana usam eba. Hi. One thing that's keeping me motivated to finishing this hair actually is the fact that I know it's going to be so nice, and I see myself wearing a lot of makeup like this weekend, like that we're about to enter, and I know that braids and makeup is always like a beautiful combo. Ooh. So I'm looking. I forgot to mention that I have 2 pieces left, so I have the last 2 left. The thing is, I just kind of gauge it. I'm not necessarily counting, so I keep doing that thing where I'm placing it and like seeing if it measures up and anything. Obviously some pieces will be a lot longer than other pieces, but you don't want it in such a way that one is this long and another one is like this short. You have to use your sense, you know. We do a lot of calculation when we braid hair, so don't watch it, okay? So yeah, I'm actually like loving how it turns out, and I hope that the top complies. I'm even thinking that I might even do the top, like, let's see, braid down like that. I might actually feed in the top. Well, we'll see. Alright then, see ya. I'm a little shy or embarrassed to let you know that I didn't finish at 3. The time is currently like 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. 1 second. 5 a.m. And let's just be honest, like, I slept, I ate jollof rice, made jollof rice, all those things. But honestly, I'm done now and it is so flat. Gosh, and I haven't even like done anything else to it. I can see some like raggedy pieces. Honestly, I'm just neating it up. And I don't need to hot water this hair because it's been hot watered already. Can I just say that this is like the best or the neatest extension I've ever done? Like, it's ridiculous. I'll come back afterwards. So I just made everything fall to the side. I'll be back. Let me just finish. Let me get this one sorted and then we'll talk. I'll admit that this isn't the best I've looked, but I'm tired, and this hair is a lot fuller than I thought it would be. But it is full and then it's flat, it's scanty in a good way. So what I'm going to do now is just slick everything back down. I think I actually look-y prefer it in a side part. Like, I don't even know who I am. Like, why would you make your hair this tiny? But I think it was a lot better because I didn't have to pick. I just literally had to pull the attachment out, pull it out of the pack. I used 7 to get this, and the length as well. So I think the quantity was more for the length, because I just kept braiding and adding and going all the way down. And knotless braids are the way forward, even though my own knotless braids are not probably the neatest you've seen, but no knots, no knots, no knots. It just goes all the way. It's such a delight because I don't feel it tugging on my hairlines or anything. I'm about to have so much fun with this hair, so let's slick the hair. So my essentials: I need my scarf, I need hair oil, I need my Eco Styler gel. It's almost finished, but I need my spray bottle, so this has water and conditioner in it. And what else? I need my ratchet ass toothbrush. I'm show it to you properly because it kind of dirty. So let's start. First time I'm doing is spraying my hair, but I'll just keep gauging it, spray it, oil it, gel it, and let it down. Oh, I forgot one more thing: hair foam, but I'm going to do that last. Okay, all right, let's start. I'm using the argan oil hair foam, styling foam. I've run out, so I need to top up. Let me tell you, the beauty supply store is open. I went in there to find, just to look around, because everything I needed I already got from Amazon, like I said. But like, they've hiked all their prices. I'm like, in the middle of a pandemic. Okay, let's start. Let's spray my
play out the same, the same, the same. We're gonna play out the same. I love you better today than yesterday. And every day it's gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. La, da, da,
da. So where were we? This is honestly like one of the best things I've done for myself. But here we go. It's been a week since I've had this hair on, and it's just so painless, as in no pain. The only time like it just like a little bit was the first day I finished making it. After that, everything just started to get used to my head shape. And the thing is, like, you don't even realize how nice the hair is until you see it in pictures, until you put your makeup on. I've been turning up since Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so I haven't really had time to like pick up my camera and just be like, oh, this is what the hair looks like. But this is what it looks like. I haven't even done anything to my edges. I'll just do my edges now. I use setting foam sometimes to do my edges for no reason, just because it's easier to wash off. And then I should probably scarf it, but I don't want to scarf it. But like, I want to say like one of the one of the best things about having braids this long is that you can get away with not having a hair bubble. So you can do without a hair bubble. So you can just tie your hair around with like all this long scraps and pieces. You know, nothing too serious, but it's such a pretty look. I feel like it's even because I feel like I like it better because it's just one color. But next time I'm probably going to do all blonde. All blonde. All blonde. Yeah. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. I like how tiny it is. And we know how long the hair took us to make, but since when did that stop anybody? But yeah, I'm having such a good time with the hair. When it starts to get old, I'll style it and show you how you can revive old hair, you know. But yes, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're inspired to recreate your own braids, because honestly, I feel like if you can braid your hair, you're saving yourself tons of money, and you're also like putting yourself in a situation where you can think of any hairstyle and just attempt it for yourself. Honestly, like, I feel like that's like one of the best things that happened to me with like learning to braid my hair and stuff. Without further ado, like, the sun is setting and the pictures that I'm going to take very soon are going to be so lit. I've taken a couple of pictures, but I didn't like any of them, so I think I might just resort to like selfie pictures, or I'll just edit the video that I took. In the meantime, don't forget to Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss any of this fire content I'll be giving you. And yeah, stay true, and I'll see you in my next vlog.